Good morning, everybody. This morning we are going to river raft. So that is gonna be super fun. I have never been river rafting before, and I think it's like an American pastime, so I can't believe I've never done it, but it's gonna be so fun. We're going on the Snoqualmie River. It's kind of cloudy outside, but I think the clouds are gonna burn off. We have to make sandwiches and bring drinks, and we're just gonna have a super good time. Oh, it's me and my mom, and then it's Megan and her mom, because the whole thing that started it was Megan got this swan float, you know, the really popular ones that are all out right now, and so she really was like, I really want to use this, but we don't have like a pool, no one has a pool, blah blah blah. So she was like, let's go river rafting. And then my mom overheard us, and she was like, oh girls, I'd love to go. And she kind of like invited herself. And so then I told Megan that, and then her mom wanted to come too. So now we're all going together, and it is going to be a lot of fun. I'm not gonna bring the camera on the floaty though, because I'm too worried about it. But Megan has a waterproof camera that I think we're gonna use, so it'll be crap quality, but it'll be better than nothing. We're here at the river rapids. It's kind of like the DIY river rapids where you like drop in yourself, and then we have to bring one car to the end and then shuttle back, and gotta get the keys out of the car.
2 and 1 tomato basil. Oh, I was gonna ask you to make me one. We didn't have anything for it. Hi!
You should have told me.
I know, but I felt bad. I was like, oh, I didn't want to be like, make me a sandwich. Make me a sandwich. To be honest, whose water is this? Swan on my head. I was like, I have to. So cute. That's what I need, is that cooler. That's awesome.
Here's our tubies.
Hello.
We're gonna go
floating. Snoqualmie River.
We're super excited.
Yes, it's hot out. It's supposed to be like 90, what, 94? Yeah, here. I know. It's gonna be really hot. It takes about 3.5 to 4 hours to float it and 3 minutes to drive it. So you can imagine how slow we're gonna be going.
Very slow.
Very, very slow.
Oh, so we just finished tubing.
That was amazing.
It was we had so much fun.
I'm exhausted now.
I'm so tired, and I have a really bad dry headache.
I know.
We made it back to Megan's house now after driving, and we are gonna go to the store. We have really bad headaches, so we're gonna go to the store and get some peaches because Megan wants a peaches thing.
With rum.
With rum. That'll make us feel good after our headaches, right? Look at that sexy face.
You got a zip.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, wow, wow.
You go outside?
Little pieces, big pieces, or cut it however you want. She's a good singer.
We are on our way to the Edmonds Saturday Market this morning, and we are very excited to go. It's not focusing on me because we haven't been in a while, and it used to be one of our favorite things to do. So we're gonna have a good time.
Maybe we have to go to see the new gelato place then.
Yeah, and get some gelato maybe. I don't know what's happening with my hair this morning. It's really bad. I blame the river. The river water has taken possession of my hair.
I'll take the rest of your salt ones if you don't want them.
Is there 3 receipts extra emailed to you? And you were all done?
What's your guys' favorite part so far?
Essayez le fromage.
Don't say it in French.
Cheese sample.
The cheese and the
Ooh, those things. Get a shot of those things. They look like flowers.
and
So what was your
Moi, je veux goûter.
and the caramel.
Moi, je vais goûter.
Niece's, is it good?
Definitely chocolate.
You're holding the flowers the wrong way. I can't see anything. We're coming up on our favorite pizza place. It's this little stand type thing that's been here for 5 years. They used to be selling pizza at like $3 a slice, and now it's $5 a slice. The whole pizza used to be like $12, and now it's $22. But we still get some once in a while. Our favorite is pear gorgonzola, and it is just to die for. We have this wood oven. It's so yummy.
It looks like Chloe's bedhead.
A little center of town, and this yummy Starbucks. Good? I feel like I'm in the middle of the way.
Je coupe en deux, je mets une boule là et une boule là, comme ça on a deux. Je dois juste
She's gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna get meatballs from Trader Joe's. You cut in half, and you take out the middle of the tomato, all the juice stuff, and then you put one meatball on one side and one meatball on the other, and then you bake it, and it's tomatoes farci.
tomate farci. Voilà.
They don't allow dogs since 2012, which we think is a really stupid thing, but still. So we follow the rules. Probably. So now we're gonna walk her, because she wants a walk. We still have to go to Trader Joe's. Are you gonna have time? There's the dance studio. Look how pretty these flowers are. They're just incredible. Aren't they beautiful?
This is the reason why I like flowers so much. Very squishy at the bottom.